Welcome back, everyone. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you, diving into the fascinating world of AI. We'll be exploring ChatGPT, an incredible AI chatbot that can generate human-like responses to a wide range of questions and prompts. Whether you're a beginner or an AI enthusiast, this beginner-friendly guide will help you master interacting with ChatGPT in no time. So let's get started. When it comes to the tasks that ChatGPT can handle, it's pretty impressive. We're talking about a versatile language model here, capable of tackling a variety of tasks with ease. Whether you need information, answers, or explanations, ChatGPT has got you covered. First off, it's a fantastic tool for answering questions. You can throw all sorts of queries at it, from general knowledge stuff to specific topics like history, science, geography, and more. Just fire away with your questions, and ChatGPT will do its best to provide accurate and helpful responses. But that's not all. ChatGPT can also excel at providing explanations. If you're grappling with a complex concept or trying to wrap your head around something, just ask ChatGPT for help. It can break things down and guide you through step by step, making those tricky subjects much more accessible. So whether you're in need of answers or explanations, ChatGPT is here to lend a virtual hand. It's like having your own personal AI assistant ready to assist you with a wide range of tasks. The first step is to create an OpenAI account. While ChatGPT 4 is a subscription-based application with monthly charges, its previous version, GPT 3.5, also known as ChatGPT, is absolutely free. Head over to the OpenAI website and sign up for an account. Once you're registered and logged in, you'll have access to the ChatGPT interface where all the magic happens. Now that you have your OpenAI account set up, let's move on to crafting your first prompt. In the ChatGPT interface, you'll see a text input box. Simply type a clear and concise question or statement in the box. For example, you can ask ChatGPT about the benefits of renewable energy. The key here is to keep your prompt focused to receive the most accurate and relevant response. Once you've crafted your prompt, it's time to submit it. Click the Send button and ChatGPT will process your prompt and generate a response. You'll see the AI-generated response appear in the chat area. Now, what if the AI's response isn't quite what you expected? Don't worry, you can refine your prompts to get better results. Try rephrasing your prompt, providing more context, or experimenting with prompt engineering techniques. These techniques include using a system message approach or even engaging in a role-playing method. With a little experimentation, you'll be able to achieve a more accurate and targeted response. Let's explore how to refine your prompts. One technique is to rephrase your prompt. If you didn't get the desired response initially, try asking the question in a different way. Sometimes, a slight rewording can make a significant difference in the AI's understanding. Another way to improve results is by providing more context. If the AI seems to be missing important information, try including additional details in your prompt. This can help the model grasp the nuances of your query and provide a more accurate response. Prompt engineering is another powerful technique. By using a system message, you can guide the AI's behavior. For example, you can tell ChatGPT to imagine itself as an expert in a specific domain or adopt a particular personality. This can help shape the AI's response and make it more aligned to your expectations. Lastly, you can engage in role-playing. Treat ChatGPT as a character and interact with it accordingly. This can be a fun and interactive way to receive responses that align with the desired role or persona you're interacting with. By experimenting with these techniques and refining your prompts, you'll be able to elicit more accurate and targeted responses from ChatGPT. Feel free to try different approaches and see what works best for you. Practice makes perfect. The key to mastering ChatGPT is to practice and experiment. Try different prompts, explore various topics, and test out different text generation settings to get a better understanding of how ChatGPT works. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident you'll become in interacting with this incredible AI. While you're on your journey to mastering ChatGPT, it's essential to learn from the community. Engage with the AI community on forums, blogs, and social media platforms. This will allow you to discover valuable tips, tricks, and best practices from experienced users. By actively participating and staying informed, you'll stay on the cutting edge of ChatGPT developments. Before we wrap up, let's go through some examples of questions and prompts you can ask ChatGPT. These examples will give you a better idea of the diverse range of topics and inquiries you can explore with this AI chatbot. You can ask ChatGPT for explanations, quotes and studies, comparisons, summarizations of text, list generation, pros and cons, suggestions, feedback on your writing, assistance with creative writing, brainstorming ideas, translations, coding help, role-playing scenarios, specific ChatGPT commands, and even mentorship advice. And there you have it. With these examples, you can start experimenting and exploring the vast capabilities of ChatGPT. Remember, always review the output for accuracy and avoid entering sensitive information, as AI chatbot systems may save your input. This wraps up our tutorial on getting started with ChatGPT. I hope you found this guide helpful in navigating the exciting world of AI. Remember to be patient, practice, and have fun discovering the incredible potential of ChatGPT. Until next time, happy chatting!